Hey there, welcome back to Decoding AI for You, the 5-minute deep dive. AI is everywhere these days, but sometimes it's hard to see how it fits into industries we don't interact with daily, like power transmission. Those massive power lines stretching across the country? They're essential, but we don't think about how they get built or maintained. Here's the thing. AI, and more specifically generative AI, is already transforming this industry in ways that are faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. And I want to show you how. Building a power line isn't just about connecting point A to point B. There's a lot to consider: terrain, weather conditions, environmental regulations, costs, safety, and of course reliability. Traditionally, engineers spend months planning routes and testing different designs. But generative AI? It can analyze thousands of possibilities in minutes, optimizing for the best balance of cost, safety, and efficiency. Imagine AI generating multiple design options, each taking into account not just technical constraints, but also factors like wildlife habitats or extreme weather patterns. Instead of just running calculations, generative AI actually creates solutions. Solutions that might have taken weeks or months to develop manually. Now, beyond design, AI also plays a major role in the actual construction process. One of the biggest challenges in large-scale projects is scheduling. Delays happen all the time: weather changes, material shortages, unexpected site conditions. But AI-powered scheduling tools can adapt in real time. If a storm is rolling in or a critical material shipment is delayed, the AI adjusts the project timeline dynamically, making sure crews aren't left waiting. That means fewer costly delays and a much more efficient build process. And let's talk about risk. Construction, especially power line construction, is inherently dangerous. But AI helps us stay ahead of potential problems. By analyzing historical incident data and real-time site conditions, AI can predict hazards before they happen. Think of it as an early warning system. If AI flags an increased risk due to high winds or unstable soil conditions, crews can take action before accidents occur. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about saving lives. But AI's role doesn't stop once the power lines are up. Maintenance is just as important. Traditionally, crews conduct manual inspections, physically checking miles of power lines for wear and tear. It's time-consuming and expensive. Now, AI-powered drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and image recognition software can fly along the lines, scanning for issues like damaged insulators or vegetation encroachment. The AI analyzes these images in seconds, identifying potential problems long before they lead to failures. Instead of reacting to outages, we can predict and prevent them. Sustainability is another game changer. Power line construction has an environmental footprint, but AI helps minimize it. It can recommend materials that are more sustainable, optimize tower placement to reduce land disruption, and even suggest the best ways to recycle construction waste. And let's not forget about cost savings. Every delay, every maintenance call, every inefficiency adds up. AI doesn't just speed things up, it makes projects more cost-effective. That's why companies worldwide are already adopting this technology. I hope this gave you some new insights into how generative AI can transform your work. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the resources in the description, which includes our deep dive report, provides a detailed analysis on generative AI within your industry. Thanks for watching Decoding AI for You. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's keep exploring the future of AI together. See you next time.